In 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Lux Unboxing. My name is Josie, and today we're going to be doing a very special unboxing from Chicago. I wanted to film the background because I think it looks really pretty and I love the bridges, and it's actually a pretty windy day today and it's very cloudy, but I love the view. This is actually from the hotel room called London House. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm hoping that you're gonna like these much. Ta-da! It's from Hermes. So I got these really cute. I'm actually not gonna tell you. I always do that. I usually tell you guys and then I like wish I didn't. So I'm not gonna tell you this time what I got, but these are really cute. I was very fortunate enough yesterday to be able to walk in. Right now they are doing usually appointments only, but I got in right before they closed, so I was really happy about that. And I cannot wait to share with you guys what I got. So this item, I've been looking for something similar to it for a while. Not necessarily Hermes, like a different brand. It's actually Chanel, but they've been sold out for months. So I'm really glad to get these because they just came out and the lady was telling me that they're always sold out. So they are really cute, super comfy when I try them on. And I like how there's dust bags that comes with the shoes, but ta-da! They're super cute. They're called Hermes Addict sneakers, and what I love the most is because you guys know I have wide feet and it's so hard to find shoes that fit me, but this is great because it actually has a nylon. It's like super, like inside, it's kind of like a sock, like I'm basically wearing a sock. So I like the way it looks. It's very subtle. If you guys look really closely, there is like the H on the side, but you don't really know what it is, and I like that about it. It's not like super loud or anything like that. It also has a really nice black suede top right here. Let me show that to you guys right there. And I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll try to take pictures of it, but it's kind of sparkly right here, so it gives it that really cute girly look that I'm not very girly, but it looks good with it on. But my favorite part is the fact that it's just super stretchy, and on here it looks like it's open. It's actually not. This whole area right here is black, and here's the bottom of the sole. It's kind of cute because it has this little H thing right here. I don't know if it was on purpose, but it looks cute on there. And I like the fact that it's a black bottom, because usually if you have like a white bottom sole shoe, it gets really dirty, right? But it's just really cute. I love the way it looks. Let me show them to you guys together. And they come in this really cute drawstring bag that you can use when you're traveling. That way your shoes doesn't get dirty and you can keep them separate. But here they are together. It's just like a really nice everyday sneaker that you could wear with pretty much any outfit, just because the color is really neutral. But I really like them. I can't wait to start wearing them and stuff. But the price point is actually really great too, because these I believe were $8.50, so it's actually not bad for sneakers, especially the fact that it's from Hermes. But they're really cute and they're perfect for like summer. I've been really looking for super cute comfy sneakers, and like I said, I do have wide feet, so I'm really glad that I was able to find these, because everything else just runs really tight. Like I tried the Dior sneakers, they're super tight on me. I can't find the Chanel ones, so this is like a perfect replacement for that. So let me know what you guys think. Oh, and the really cute part too is they also have, and I'm trying to look what I do with it. Oh, it's right here. Oh, just kidding. Okay. All right, we have to cut that part out. Actually, no, you're just keeping going, so I'll just let you guys keep going. But it's really cute. There's this cute little drawstring bag for extra black laces. So that's a really nice thing if you want to switch this out and wear black. I actually think it would be like a nice change with it. It'll still definitely go with the shoes, but it came in a little drawstring, so that was a nice surprise because I hadn't seen those until after I got back to the hotel room. So I hope that you guys like this unboxing. Let me know if you could think of any other sneakers that you think I might be interested in that is actually really good for wide feet. And like I said, here they are. Super cute Hermes Addict sneakers, which I thought was really funny because the name is hilarious. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing as much as I love these shoes. I can't wait to start wearing them when I get back to San Diego. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the view from the hotel room because it's so pretty. And there's the Trump Tower right there. And have a great day. And can't wait to show you guys the next unboxing. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks. Bye.